Welcome to our channel. In this video, we have an exciting topic to discuss: investing for beginners. Are you interested in growing your wealth but feel uncertain about where to start? Well, worry no more. Whether you have a small sum of $100 or a limited budget, this guide will show you how to begin your investment journey. By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to confidently take that first step into the world of investing. Are you ready to build a brighter financial future? Investment is an impressive way to grow your wealth and achieve your long-term financial goals. However, many people believe that investing is only for the rich or financially savvy. That's simply not true. With just $100, you can embark on your investment journey and start building your wealth. In this video, we will cover the basics of investing and provide helpful tips that cater specifically to beginners with limited budgets. So, let's jump right in with the first essential step. Set clear financial objectives. Before you start investing, define your financial goals. Are you saving for a specific future expense, like a vacation or a down payment on a house? Or are you investing for long-term wealth accumulation? Having clear goals will help you make informed investment decisions. Build an emergency fund. Ensure you have an emergency fund in place with at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This will provide a financial cushion and ensure you don't have to dip into your investments in case of unexpected expenses. Pay off high-interest debt. Consider prioritizing the repayment of high-interest debt, such as credit card debt, before diving into investments. Often the amount you save on interest by clearing your debt surpasses earnings from investments. Start with small investment. With just $100, you can start investing in various ways, such as through a micro-investing app, a low-cost brokerage account, or a robo-advisor. These platforms allow you to invest small amounts regularly. Diversify your investment. Diversification is key to reducing risk. Instead of putting your all money into a single investment, consider spreading it across different assets. You can invest in stocks, bonds, exchange-traded funds, ETFs, or mutual funds. Diversification helps minimize the impact of poor-performing assets. Choose low-cost investments. Look for investments with low fees, as high fees can erode your returns over time. Exchange-traded funds, ETFs, and index funds are often good options due to their lower expense ratios. Automate your investments. Set up automated contributions from your bank account to your investment account. This allows you to invest consistently over time, taking advantage of dollar-cost averaging. Enrich your knowledge. Invest some time in learning about the different investment options available. Understand the risks and potential returns associated with each. Many online resources, books, and courses can help you get started. Stay updated. Keep an eye on your investments and stay updated about the market. You don't need to obsess over daily price movements, but it's essential to understand the general trends. Be patient. Investing is a long-term endeavor. Your $100 might not grow significantly in the short term, but over time, it can compound and grow into a more substantial sum. Avoid the temptation to pull your money out at the first sign of a market dip. Reinvest your earnings. As your investments generate returns, consider reinvesting those earnings back into your portfolio. This compounds your growth over time. Seek professional advice. If you have specific financial goals or a more significant budget, consider consulting with a financial advisor for personalized guidance. Finally, remember that all investments come with risks, including the potential loss of principal. It's important to be aware of these risks and invest money that you can afford to leave untouched for an extended period. Starting with $100 or another small amount is a great first step, and as you gain confidence and increase your savings, you can consider investing larger amounts. Congratulations! You're now armed with valuable knowledge on how to start investing with $100 or any small amount you can. Remember, investing is a journey, and the most important step is getting started. The earlier you begin, the more time your investments have to grow. Start small and remain consistent in contributing to your investment portfolio. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on personal finance and investing. As always, we appreciate your support. Keep investing wisely, and we'll see you in the next video.